Hi students, it's Miss PK again. I'm going to be giving you a quick lesson on our medial consonants. So we are going to be learning the sounds that we hear in the middle of a word. Okay, so we're going to go through some examples on this page, then I'll let you go ahead and finish it on your own. So the directions say the name for each picture below. Print the letter for its middle consonant sound. So consonants are all the letters of the alphabet except A, E, I, O, and U. And sometimes Y because they can be vowels. Okay, so let's start with our first one. That is a picture of a lava on a volcano. So, as I break it down, the middle sound you hear, that's a consonant, is V, B, lava. Our second picture is a balloon. So listen for the middle sound of the consonant in balloon. Balloon. L. Number 3, we have a picture of a tiger. So listen for the middle sound of the consonant in the word tiger. Tiger. G is the middle sound in tiger. Number 4, mitten. We're going to listen for the middle consonant sound in mitten. Mitten. Number 5 is a picture of a dragon. Listen for the middle sound of dragon, the consonant sound. Dragon. It is a G again. Just like tiger, dragon. G. Okay, for number 6, we have a plural noun. Boxes. What's the middle consonant sound you hear in boxes? X. Boxes. You hear an X in the middle of that word. Number 7 is number 7. So what do you hear in the middle of the word 7? Evan. V. It is a V. Sev. N. 7. Number 8, we have a lemon. So what is the middle consonant sound of lemon? Lemon. M. Now I'm going to let you check or let you try to do the last 8 on your own, but I'm going to give you the name of the picture just in case you don't know what the name of the picture is. Spider. Spider. Buses. Camel. Kitten. So this is a kitten. A baby cat. Ladder. Letter. Robot. Foxes. Foxes. So these two are plural. These are buses, and these are foxes. Okay, remember the medial sound is the middle sound, the middle consonant sound. So just another review, you will not be putting the letters A, E, I, O, and U. Okay? You won't be using those because those are vowels. So we're looking for consonant sounds in the middle of the word. Okay, I'm going to flip over my paper because you have more practice in the back. And you can also use the first page to help you because it looks like some of the pictures are the same. It says, say the name for each picture. Fill in the bubble besides the letter that makes the middle sound in each word. We have tiger, tiger. So the middle sound, the middle consonant sound is G. Number 2, letter. T is the middle sound of letter. Number 3, we have a pillow. Listen for the middle sound, pillow. The L. Number 4 is button. Listen for the middle sound, button, which is a T. Okay, number 5 is a carrot. The middle sound is carrot. The letter R. Number 6 is hammer. Hammer. Middle sound is M, the middle consonant sound. Number 7 is a picture of a camel. Camel. It is an M again. Number 8 is zipper. Listen for the middle consonant sound. Zipper. It is a P sound in the middle. Again, I'm going to let you do the last 8 on your own. We have a wagon, kitten, ruler, peanut, mitten, balloon, robot, ladder. So you will be putting the middle sound. Okay, so you're listening for the middle consonant sound. And again, like last week, we did have some handwriting practice. So don't forget to put your name, trace the sentence. In art, we paint with our fingers. In music, we are awesome singers. You're going to trace the 2 sentences, rewrite them here, and then label the pictures. You have a paint, artist, music, singer. You guys are doing a wonderful job. And next up, we have math. Okay? So you guys have a good time finding the middle sounds of these words. Talk to you soon, Miss Gay.